Kiumia kimwe thutha wa mutongoria wa kiama kia DCP Rigathi Gachagua gutuikania icera-ini ria giuteti kaunti-ini cia Meru na Tharaka Nithi kuha muingi wa mwena ucio munyite mbaru na ngwataniro ya atongoria a mung'ethaniro. Riu athuri a kiama kuma kaunti-ini cia Embu, Meru na Tharaka Nithi ni meyumiritie gukumithia Rigathi makiuga arahunjia uteti wa ngayukano cia kinduriri. Athuri aya maugite Rigathi ndagĩrĩirwo ni kwihokerwo gutongoria muingi kuona uteti wake ni wa kuhurithania muingi na mithingi ya kinduriri niguo egune kiumbe.
Leadership divided our people, brought confusion and ignored development. He did not unite the region and only pushed his own selfish interest. We believed then, and we still believe now, that the impeached former deputy president was not ready or able to support the development of our Mount Kenya East region. Instead, he blocked progress for our people.
Oni matugiritie bunge ya bururi makiuga bunge ni mekire wega ni kuhagura Rigathi muthia-ini wa mwaka muhituku.
You see this family, the insults, attacks and attempts to undermine Deputy President Professor Kithure Kindiki must stop. We shall not allow our region to be taken back to dirty politics and fights.
Makiaria na andiki a mohoro thutha wa gutabania kigomano mwena wa Runyenjes kaunti-ini ya Embu, athuri aya aria maumite ikundi-ini cia Njuri Njeke, Nyangi Ndiriri ya Embu undu umwe na Ngome ya Runyenjes maugite o kiumbe hamwe na muingi wa kaunti icio ithatu mari thutha wa munini wa President Professor Kithure Kindiki uria maugite Rigathi ni aramuiguira wiru.
We have seen the impeached former deputy president and his allies continue to insult and attack Deputy President Kindiki and leaders from our region. This is wrong. It is not just politics. It is disrespect to the people of Mount Kenya East and to Kenyans as a whole.
Miario ya athuri aya yukite riri Rigathi akiriirie kambeini ciake mari na atongoria a mung'ethaniro kuha muingi ukamanyita mbaru hindi ya githurano kinene kia mwaka wa 2027 ria meranĩire gukarugamia umwe wao gukang'ethanira na President William Ruto.